Do you feel that? I feel like there's something in the air. And do you know what it is? It's love. Valentine's Day is coming up, so I'm excited to share this idea with you, which is inspired by candy hearts. You know the kind. This design is accentuated by having a lovely little bow on the side. I actually have a video on how to make a beautiful balloon heart wand. I'm going to link it up here, so you're going to want to check that out if the idea is new to you. But we're going to explore the technique of attaching this sweet little bow to the top. So let's get to it. So to recreate this design today, we're going to be using a 260, a 160, a heart, and I've also got a scrapper balloon that I'm going to use. If you've not done so before, making a balloon raisin is super duper easy. Basically, you want to do a couple of knots. When you do a few knots, it helps you to be able to grip nice and easy from within inside the balloon. And you just need to take some scissors and snip, removing the excess away. Look how small that one is. So we're going to place that inside our uninflated heart. Go ahead to inflate the balloon. Now you don't want to have it super firm, but can you hear that inside? That's our raisin bouncing about. So make sure it's free and not caught in the latex when you tie it off. We're going to go now with the 260. I just love this chrome gold, it's stunning. Really beautiful, very luxurious, perfect for Valentine's. I'm going to go ahead to make a 6-petal flower. Oh no, this one got a hole in it. 5 petals it is. That'll be fine. Taking now our heart balloon. We want to nestle that straight in there. Again, we can hear the rattle of the balloon raisin inside. So next we're going to go with the 160, and I have this scrap here from earlier that I'm going to go ahead to use. So you can get a couple of bows out of this, which is great news. That little twist is about 2 fingers wide. Popping that knot through helps to make it a bit more secure. Ooh. And let's do another petal of the same size. So you're going to have something that looks a bit like this. Now's the fun part, and also a little bit challenging. So if you're not very used to working with raisin twists, what you might find, it might take a couple of goes, but don't despair, practice, you'll get there, I believe in you. So we wanted to determine the position where we want the little bow to sit. I'm going to aim for an area around here. So if you just hold it above your head, and you can see exactly where that raisin is, we want to grab it and twist. Well, once upon a time, I thought I needed to secure that raisin with a bit of uninflated balloon in order to do this kind of thing, but it's not actually necessary. You can, and go ahead to do that technique if it works. You can check out my video here if you'd like more pointers on a raisin twist, but pulling the knot away, we're going to sweep the 160 balloon underneath, up and around. You can kind of just see it right there, the raisin being caught in the twist. Wrap it a few more times just to help it be a little bit more secure. But now we're going to make a small bubble, and we want to pinch twist this. Go slow. And you can even take the opportunity to wrap this more around that raisin to really help ensure that your bow's not going to just pop off. Now we want to remove the excess. I always like to tie my loose ends off. Then hide away the rest of the uninflated balloon as best you can. And then we're left with something that looks a bit like this. Perfect for a g'day cat too, if you know what I mean. So I think that looks pretty cute as it is, but let's go ahead to add a little bit of a special message onto there. So something fun and quick for maybe some Valentine's themed events, but not 100% sold on the bow? That's fine, I got you. How about this for another idea? You can go ahead to do a bow like this instead, and I think that also looks really cute and sweet. I hope you enjoyed this video, so thank you for helping me to put a positive twist in your life, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.